The housing market just shifted, and it's shaking up everything buyers and sellers thought that they knew. One of my clients thought they should rent and wait for interest rates to drop. But what we discovered after crunching the numbers, they ended up getting a deal that actually saved them tens of thousands of dollars, and it could happen for you too. I'll tell you the full story a little later. Right now, even though prices in the Carolinas are still rising, sellers are negotiating again. And for the first time in years, buyers actually have leverage. If you've been sitting on the sidelines waiting for the perfect moment, this might be your chance. And if you want the full cheat sheet on everything we're talking about today, grab my free home buying and selling guide linked below. It's your playbook for navigating this shifting market. I'm Abby, part of a real estate team that's helped over 1,000 families buy and sell homes right here in the Carolinas. We've lived through bidding wars, skyrocketing interest rates, and overheated sellers markets. And right now, this market feels like a reset. Let's break down what that means for buyers and sellers in 2026. Here's the headline. We're in a buyer's market. Homes are staying on the market longer than a year ago. Price reductions are more common, and sellers are offering incentives to attract buyers, like closing cost assistance, interest rate buydowns, and repair credits. Here in the Carolinas, inventory is creeping up, giving buyers more options than they've had in a long time. And that's a huge opportunity if you know how to use it. 2 years ago, buyers were competing in multiple offer situations. Now, you can negotiate, take your time, and even ask for help with closing costs. But here's the key. This isn't a free-for-all. You still need a strategy to take advantage of it. And that's where most people get it wrong. They sit and wait thinking the perfect deal will just appear. For buyers, this is your window. You have leverage, options, and room to negotiate, something that hasn't existed in years. Here are some practical ways to use that advantage. Look for homes where sellers are motivated. These are often the ones on the market longer than 30 to 45 days. Don't just focus on interest rates. Yes, rates matter, but seller incentives can offset higher rates right now. Many sellers are willing to cover closing costs, which is like getting thousands of dollars back at closing. Consider creative financing options. Even with today's rates, programs exist that can make your monthly payment doable. This is also the time to work closely with a great lender who can run the numbers for you and show you exactly what's possible. Because once rates drop or inventory tightens, buyers who wait could miss out. And speaking of a lender, that brings me back to my client I mentioned earlier. They were convinced renting was safer, thinking, why buy when rates are high? After I connected them with a trusted lender, we looked at homes where sellers were covering closing costs and even offering a rate buydown. The result? They bought a home sooner than planned, locked in seller incentives worth thousands, and are now building equity instead of throwing money away on rent. Had they waited, they might have missed these opportunities entirely because not every home offers these kinds of perks, and inventory could tighten at any time. That's the power of understanding the market and working it strategically. If you want to see what this could look like in your own situation, grab the guide linked below or use our linked connection form. We will connect you with a top lender or agent in your area. Now, sellers, don't panic. A buyer's market doesn't mean you can't sell. It just means your strategy has to adapt. The homes that are selling fastest right now are the ones that are priced competitively, look move-in ready, and staged for today's buyers, and offer small incentives that make buyers feel like they're getting a great deal. Sellers who ignore the shift risk having their home sit too long, which leads buyers to assume that it's overpriced. Timing is also critical. Listing strategically now when buyers have options but are still motivated can make all the difference. Even a simple incentive like offering to cover a portion of closing costs can make your home stand out and get you to the closing table faster. The key takeaway: adapt first. Buyers have power, but sellers who are flexible and strategic can still win. The worst move is to do nothing because you're waiting for perfect conditions. For buyers, negotiate, leverage incentives, work with a lender, and don't wait for rates to drop to make your move. For sellers, price right, stage well, and offer incentives that motivate buyers without eroding your bottom line. If you want a step-by-step guide to winning in this market, grab my buyers and sellers guides linked below. And if you want personal guidance, fill out our referral network form. We'll connect you with a trusted agent and lender anywhere in the US. And when you're ready to see what might happen next year, check out this video. It'll show you how today's shift sets up the market for 2026 and what you can do now to be ready.